Hey everyone, Paula here. So today I want to talk about your transactions report. So transactions report is one of the many reports that you have access to in the system. And in order to get it, to generate it, you simply go to the finance tab over here and you hit transactions report. So let's go ahead and do that. You will see that you're able to print, which means basically display on the screen, or you are able to request it in an Excel format. So I'll go ahead and just print for 2021. I'll have you note that you could get any year from the time that you started with eZmax. So I'll just go ahead and do 2021 and submit. What you're going to get here is really in real time, what are the listings that you have, the buyer's contracts, the conditional deals, the deals. You'll see all of your transactions. But what's really important to note is that, again, it's in real time. So if today you see these two listings, it's because today they are active. If in 2 days from now, um, 111 St. Clair, Toronto becomes, off market or it's deactivated or it's sold, when you generate this report 2 days from now, it'll no longer be there. So it really gives you a picture of what you have in the books right now active. Okay, so you get your listings with your totals. You get your conditional deals. So what monies are upcoming? What do you have as commissions receivables on your conditional deals? You have your total over here. You have the transactions. Your firm deals, same thing. These are all monies coming to you on these transactions. So you'll have your total down here. All right. You have all your closed deals. So what has been closed in the period 2021? So from January 1st to December 31st, 2021, what deals have closed? And then you're going to have your total. So at the end of the year, if you pull this document out, then you'll have at the bottom your total income. All right. So it just, again, gives you a quick peek at all the transactions with the totals in real time. All right. So it's a really good report for that. Now, what I do want to add to that is that if you're interested in seeing what you have as commissions receivable, whether it's on conditional deals or firm deals, yes, you could go on this report. You'll see all the details. But you are also able to go, I'll open just another tab to show you where you could go. New tab. I'll go back down to my finance down here. And I'll go into my financial report. Financial report will give you summaries, will give you totals of all your commission receivables. So these are the same numbers we saw on the previous report, of course. So 56,000 for your commissions receivable on conditional deals and 750,000 on your non-conditional deals. And it'll also show you just the total of your commissions receivables. All right. So I hope this was helpful to you. Give it a look. It's rich in numbers. Use it well.